So, you see the bolt right here. This is your box. That's your heat shield. So you got 2 bolts over there, and then you have 1 over here. It's not a 13. Try 15. Try 15. I ain't trying to blind you either. Here, I'm gonna put my flashlight right there. They're really simple. Once you do this one, you ain't gonna have a hard time. Got it? Come on, muscles. It's alright. It's Friday. It's almost at the end of the day. Do you want my ratchet?
You got it? Yeah.
Alright. I'll get it for you. Here, if you just break them loose by hand, and use my ratchet right here. It's quicker for you.
I got my elbow.
It wasn't funny, was it?
One more.
Oh, this one got 4. My bad. That's my fault. You see it?
No, you're good, yes.
A lot of times they just got 3, and it looks like he got a tie strap. You got your zip tie, right? I mean, you got your bikes.
Yeah.
Oh no, he ain't got a zip tie. You see the black canister?
Right here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right, so get your socket. You know what? Let me get my shit from Eric real quick. Hold on.
What size socket is that?
I don't have it. I gotta get the one second. This last thing you got on here, Brian?
Yep.
All right, here you go. Use these.
To loosen it?
Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Go the other way. Yeah, that way. Just grab it from the bottom. Yeah, right there. There you go.
Now shit will come out.
Yeah, a little bit. DF. All right, now that little filter right there,
Uh-huh.
now it's snug, so you're gonna have to pull on it pretty good. You just pull it down. Yeah, it's a brat. There you go. There you go. That's it. All right, now where your stuff at? Your new stuff. All right, so
Right here. And right here.
open that. Where your cutters?
Shit.
I get them.
I got them right here.
Oh, you got them? Okay. If you can reach them. All right, so hold that. All right, so put some of this around here. All right, now push that thing up there. Just push it up firm till it pops. Yep. Then in here,
Oh.
now switch that around in there, like with your fingers or whatever. And on the outside here. Yeah. Same thing with this. Now the little covering.
This?
Yep, pop that up in there.
Right out.
No, pop that in there first.
In here?
The little black one. Pop,
This?
no, the little black one.
Right
This
here.
one. Pop that on top of the filter. Yeah, there you go. All right, and then screw it back on. Put your heat shield back on and you're done.
Damn, you ain't got no rig.
Nah, get
Tighten
you
it
one.
back up.
Yep. Tighten it back up.
Wait, I got a rag. I'm sorry.
You got one?
Yeah, there's
Alright.
one more fucking.
You're fine. DEF filter. It ain't bad, I told you.
No, that ain't shit too.
Mm-mm. You know how long it took you to do it? 6 minutes.
Yep, did it.
That's not bad for your first one. Next one will take you 3. And I believe, is it the New England? No, I don't know if it's New England. No, Foley. On Foley trucks, all the PM services, we have to do the DEF filters. Yeah. Sometimes they forget, so anytime you get a Foley PM service,
Yeah.
make sure you say something about the DEF filter.
Well, I've been doing a couple and I haven't seen nothing yet, but I guess they didn't work.
Yeah, they forget, so they got it on the board. Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
Yeah, that's it.